Hi everybody, I will show you today how to cook one of the most popular dish here in Turkey. They called it Keskin Tava or Keskin pan in English. Keskin pan, which is an old flavor made from vegetables and lamb meat. And it is popular in the city of kırıkkale. So here's how we're gonna make it. Chop your pepper. We will cut it into cubes. This is the tomatoes, and we need to peel it, and then after that we're going to cut it into cubes. Cut the Charleston pepper into cubes. Also need garlic. This is the lamb ribs. We will add chili flakes. And black pepper, olive oil, and salt to taste. And we're gonna mix it. We're going to marinate it for like 30 minutes to 1 hour to make it more tasty. In the glass pan, I put all the vegetables and I put paprika, spice, black peppers, and salt, and put the meat on top of it. I also add tomato paste and like that. Pour it all over the meat. And then we'll add butter. And we're going to cover it with the parchment paper first. And after that, I put aluminum foil. Almost to seal it tightly, and we're going to bake it in 200 degrees Celsius for 80 minutes. And then here we go. So this is how it looks like after 80 minutes. And then we're going to add more 20 minutes. Let's put it back into oven. Here it is. So it looks yummy. Can't wait to taste it. So let's try. We'll cut it. Let's see how tender is it. How juicy. Oh, look at that juicy meat on it. And the meat, I'm gonna show you this one. Okay. So it's very soft, like it's very tender and juicy. That's all. Thank you for watching.